Welcome to my channel Pink Lab Sam. Please watch this video today. My video regarding SEO. I have started to provide knowledge regarding YouTube career. My video is quite long. Please watch this video completely. Watch the video up to the end without skip. It will give you complete knowledge of SEO to become a professional YouTuber, to increase your subscriber definitely. I am 100% sure you must go through this video today and you will get complete knowledge of SEO, and within no time your subscriber and viewers will increase. But you have to maintain all the tips. Please go through the video from first to last without skip. This video will give you clear picture regarding SEO of your YouTube channel. I am sure your channel will be monetized very soon. Whatever I will discuss, that is based on root study. Okay, let's start. SEO. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. It is very much vital to increase your subscriber, viewers of your channel. So your channel must be SEO standard. First, we must understand what is SEO. We can understand SEO is such a process. If you are searching something in Google search engine with particular keyword, your video come on top in search area. If your channel content video has got the SEO standard, just for example, if I search for volcano eruption video in Google search engine, there will be displayed so many volcano eruption video. But if your channel is maintain standard SEO, your video will come on top. So primary keyword of volcano eruption. So I think you have understood what is SEO. Now I will discuss regarding the 10 SEO expert tips 2023. Okay, first one is keyword search. Before you even start creating your video, you need to do your keyword research. This will help you determine what people are searching for on YouTube and how you can optimize your videos to rank for those particular keywords. To start, research on YouTube keyword planner tool and enter in a couple of seed keywords related to your topics. The planner will then give you a list of related keywords as well as their monthly search volume. Choose the keywords that are the most relevant to your video and that have a decent amount of monthly searches. This will be the keywords that you will want to target your video title, description and tags. Okay, second thing is segmentation. Segmentation, your audience is one of the keys to success on YouTube. By understanding who your target audience is, you can create a content that appeals directly to them. This is turn will help you. Figure out your target audience and make sure to target them specially in your videos. Do your research and figure out what keywords are most relevant to different audience. Use those particular keywords throughout a video aimed at different audience. Use this particular keyword throughout the video aimed at different audience. I think you have understood, including in the title, description and tags. Optimize your thumbnail image and title for click-through rates. Create a transcripts of your videos and optimize them for both search engines and viewers with the disabilities. Promote your videos on social media and other channels using different demographics to get more views. Analyze your video analytics regularly to figure out what's working and what is not so that you can adjust accordingly. Third point is channel intro. What is channel intro? Your channel intro is one of the first things new viewers will see when they come to your channel. So you want to make sure it's engaging and informative. Here are some important SEO writing tips. Keep it short and sweet. Viewers have short attention spans and you want to make sure you can hold their attention. Use keywords. Make sure you want to include relevant keyword so that your channel can easily found by the viewers who are searching for your topics related to your business. Be creative. Use engaging visuals and audio to grab attention and give viewers a taste and what they can expect from your channel. Number 4 point. Add accurate closed captions. Your video's captions are automatically generated by YouTube by transcribing them. But not all YouTube videos have accurate auto subtitle, which results in captions that are frequently unpleasant and difficult to understand. While it rewards useful search results automatically generated, meaningless is a term that is used to define spam, and it perfectly describes the majority of auto captions. You run the risk of having your YouTube channel flagged as spam and losing search ranking by employing erroneous captions. You should accurately add closed captions via an SRT file to your YouTube videos in order to counter the negative effects of auto captions on your SEO strategy. Video cannot be seen by search engines, but they can crawl text to ensure that Google can find your video. Make sure that your captions are packed with the relevant keywords. Add a transcript to the description of your video. The ideal place to show your transcript on your YouTube in the video description. A transcript for a 10 minutes video with a lots of conversation can typically fit within the description. Fields 5000 character limit. It is the transcript is to enough or you want to include after significant information in the description. Such as a call to action, you can include a short form of the same with a link that takes you to full version on a different web page. Keyword rich transcript remain as the suggested best practices since they can help your video rank for related terms and show up suggested video even though there is no association with the description optimized for a certain keyword and the ranking for the term. To get this done, you can either use the service like ray.com and find a dedicated virtual assistant with a transcription skills to help with this. Okay, now we'll go to the point number 6. Point number 6 is create tags, description and titles with optimum keywords usage. After selecting a strong keyword, you must make sure that the text related to your video are optimized for the term and instance. Be sure to optimize the title, description and tags for term makeup tutorial. If you upload the videos regarding makeup tutorials, remember the keyword stuffing, the practice excessively employing keywords and variation of the keywords in an attempt to game the systems is recognized as bad practice by search engines. That is not worth your time. Otherwise you risk being penalized for writing for people rather than machines. After conducting keyword research and selecting your keywords, naturally include in the following fields. That the particular following field is meta description. Meta description, it can include the 5000 characters, although based on your device. It downscales at roughly 120 characters. Given that more than half of buyers are affected by these product videos, it is critical for the e-commerce website an appropriate link to a product to make it clickable. Don't forget to include the HTTP :/. Okay, title. The title can fit 100 characters but turned at 70. The most crucial detail and the keyword should be near the beginning. Use persuading words to get people to click, such as tips, how to, advice, or numbered lists. Next point is tags. What is tags? About 500 characters should do it, but don't overkill. To ensure that your video matches a long tail keyword term precisely, enclose sentence in double quotation. Consider changing the tags on your videos iPhone tutorial rather than iPhone and tutorial. Always add tags in the order to relevance and keep the user in mind. Number 7 point. Use hashtag in your video description to improve YouTube search results. Users can now search for information that answers their queries across the several websites using the hashtags on social media. You may use the hashtags in your YouTube videos in description and titles to help users locate your content when they perform a specific hashtag search. Since they draw attention to significant trends, tags in particular help advanced search when a hashtag is used in a video's description. It first appears above the title before becoming a hyperlink. Also pay attention to where you add your video's hashtag. If you include a hashtag in the title, if it won't appear next to the video's description. Number 8 point. Make a strong thumbnail. The click-through rate is significantly affected by the selection of the video thumbnail image. Make use 16:9, that is YouTube configuration, photos that are good quality contrast. Most effective shots are close-ups of the face. YouTube users have the option to select with the frame will be thumbnail for their video. You can choose from 3 screenshots that YouTube will offer to you, but you can also pick a different frame from the video or submit your photo. If you are lacking inspiration for photos, look online for resources that have YouTube video specific thumbnail layouts. Make sure nothing in your thumbnail is blocked by YouTube's overlay of the video duration, which is visible in the lower corner. Do not forget the Google utilities. Do not forget the Google utilizes image recognition to exclude the specific image, including the YouTube logo, automatically. The ideal image is one that effectively conveys your goal term visually. Doing so will increase your visibility in present results. Next point. Put the user experience first. Strong correlation exists between the engagement measures like comments, likes, shares, subscription, and higher ranks. Google is primarily interested in the reaction that readers have to your material because it keeps visitors on their site. Try to entice viewers to share, like, and comment on your videos to increase the engagement. Also spend the time necessary to reply the message and comments from the viewers. YouTube watch time. As you can expect, keeping track of your watch time is crucial. Watch time is the amount of time spent watching your videos by the viewers, not the percent watch. For instance, a 3 minutes clip with a 50% completion rate will score higher than one with 100% completion rate. With a teaser, you should capture your audience attention within the first 15 seconds. User intent. Be careful to mention something interesting and relevant while generating the titles for your videos. You could be tempted to use the most popular phrases, term in your title, but resist the urge. An alternative, address the user's query in your title and input the search keyword in the description. Session watch time. Another crucial indicator of user involvement is session watch time. YouTube gives videos credit for how they affect a user's user-centered viewing experience. Videos that support YouTube's desire for increased user engagement are given preference. Contrary to popular belief, videos that are intended to drive the traffic to your website will instead harm your SEO because they divert the visitors from the YouTube. Next point is expanding subscriber base. Within the first week that your video is launched, subscriber might create a lot of watch time in the first week. You should try to increase your user experience and engagement as much as you can. Posting the frequently will let your followers know when to look for fresh videos. Categorize playlists that are specific, brief, and subcategorized can significantly improve user experience and engagement. By sharing a link to the playlist rather than just one video, it is very simple to share the numerous videos at once. Number 10 points. Track analytics. Monitoring your analytics is the only method to determine whether your YouTube SEO approach is effective or not. Metrics may show you where your videos are succeeding and where they may need to some improvement. You may track your progress using the various analytics data provided by YouTube. Among the various analytics you may monitor following are the ones that every YouTuber should be familiar with. Next point is watch time. The sum of the viewing minutes for each of your videos is known as watch time. The measures is improvement because YouTube prioritizes channels and videos with a long watch time in their search results, since long view periods are a strong sign of engagement. Card click-through rate. What is card click-through rate? While watching your videos, cards perform the notification that nudge viewers to take actions. You can make your card calls to action, duration, and placement better by looking at the click-through rates for your cards. My next point is click-through rate for the impressions. The impressions click-through rate calculates the proportion of viewers who watch your videos after viewing their homepage. Recommended videos or trending topics. After you release your video, impression click-through rates frequently increase and then decrease. But it's still crucial to monitor these measures because it can help you improve the thumbnails. Unique viewers. The expected number of persons who watch your videos over an extended period is known as unique viewers. These measures can be used to gauge engagement and determine the size of your audience. I think you have understood and you have gone through all the points. Thanks a lot, friends. To watch my videos completely, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and do not forget to leave your valuable comments. Watch my next video. Thanks a lot.